What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog.
AKA the soul snatcher.
Travel prep. I got my lashes done.
Call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas.
Outside will not stop me.
You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told.
So, funny story. I was all ready to be back outside because you know your girl has been inside with her wisdom teeth trying to heal, and my car won't start. I'm on my way to my nail appointment. The nail appointment is right now. It's 2:01 and my car won't start. So it's like, it's the battery is like dead. Like, I'm putting it in the ignition. So my man's coming right now to help me out because I can't go to work. This is sick. This is sick. It literally won't start. It literally won't even start. I don't even know if that's the battery. It's not even halfway turning on. Ugh. I feel like we should just get a new battery. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new battery. This is not a part of my day. This was not a part of my day. I'm gonna call y'all back when something is happening. My man is a genius, y'all.
I left first, but you hearing the sound?
Yeah. Y'all, we're getting it started. I'm gonna be on my way to my nail appointment real soon, y'all. Real soon. Outside will not stop me. It was the battery. And my man. Thank you to my man.
Alright, let's try it out.
I'm be on my way real soon. Okay, so change of plans. I rescheduled my appointment till tomorrow because they were trying to say that they wouldn't be able to finish me until 4 o'clock today. So it's not worth it for me to spend my whole day here. So I'm gonna just come back tomorrow. And my boyfriend's on his way to pick me back up. But in the meantime, I did stop at this cafe to get a latte. But I got like a matcha latte. So I'm trying it for the first time. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I asked her to put some type of like cherry foam or something in it. I don't know. I'm just trying stuff. So we're gonna see if it tastes good. I hope that it does because I would never try it again if it doesn't. And I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna like it because I don't even think that's the flavor they sell it in. So we're gonna see. And I got some soup because I can't really eat anything else. So yeah, hopefully that's like done before my boyfriend gets back. We tried to be outside. It just didn't work out today, y'all. So I'm glad I didn't do my makeup though, because I started to do my makeup and like get all cute today, and that just was not the vibe. So at least I didn't do that. And that's why I be listening to my instincts because it ain't never failed me, y'all. Yeah, just waiting on my latte to be done. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and see what's up with my car. But stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna see if we get our stuff done this week. I also need to. This is my soup. I got like a bourbon chicken soup. We'll see if that's good. I'm pretty sure I won't be able to eat it that much. That looks good. Yeah, this cafe is really like cute and industrial. It got like super like industrial vibes going on, so it's cute. So let's try the soup. My boyfriend should be here in like 10 minutes, but it's very chunky soup. It got like pepper flakes in it, y'all. It looks really good. Like if I could eat, I would eat this. It's pretty good. I like it. I will definitely come back here and get this. But it has like all these chunks in it. I can't eat that. I could try it. That's doing too much. I'm just like excited for what's next to come. I can't wait until like, see, I can't eat that corn. I can't wait until like I'm able to just sit in the cafe, do my work, and close these deals. Like, what better way to spend your days than in a cafe working? They're taking a little long with this matcha now. Okay, y'all, I got my first matcha. I think they mixed it up already. as horrible as I thought, but it's not what I wanted. I had her add some sweetener to it. Hopefully it's good. I can't really drink out of straws right now, but I'm just using this to mix it up. We're just gonna stick with the soup. My Jane Eyre. Okay, y'all, it's Monday, March 10th, and I am on my way to the nail salon. Yes, come with me this week to try to, you know, do my travel prep. So I'm on my way to my friend's party. Well, that's where I'm going, but to get ready for that trip I need to get my hair, nails, wax, whatever. So that's where we're about to go right now. I went the wrong way, y'all. Today is okay, but yesterday was definitely not my day. I don't know about today, but yeah, we going on our way to the nail salon right now. I'm probably just gonna get some like French tips because I just want something simple, because after that I'm probably gonna get my nails done again for my birthday trip. But today my stomach is really bothering me, and somebody just texted me. Yeah, so I am in the process of joining a real estate brokerage, so I just have a lot going on email and text right now, and I'm trying to make the right decision, y'all. Like, I was very sure about one, but now I'm kind of like, do I want to join another brokerage? Let's see, you know, stay tuned on that. There's also other things that like I can't speak about right now that I'm really excited about, but just know when the time comes, y'all know. So right now I am just on my way to the nail salon. Hopefully I can get there. I'm already late. I'll be about 5 minutes late, but I think they have like a 10-minute grace period. So, and then I'm gonna get my armpits waxed. I never have gotten my armpits waxed before, but I think it'll be a good idea because I want to start like getting rid of the darkness in my underarms. I know that I'm supposed to get laser, but I'm just really not keen on the idea of getting laser, y'all. So we gonna see about that. It feels really good outside. Like, I came out dressed for the winter and it's definitely giving like breezy spring day. Like, it feels excellent outside. Definitely like a 68, 70 type of day. So that's cute. I love that for me, honestly. Your girl is tired of the cold, okay? I am so tired of the cold. But yeah, so that's what we have coming up. So I'm gonna just take y'all with me. I already went to Sephora and bought like a lot of new makeup products. I done bought so many clothes, y'all, and I'm gonna return all of them because they were supposed to be for this trip I'm about to take on Wednesday, or no, on Thursday. And I don't think none of them is gonna get here on time. Honestly, one of them I sent to my hotel that I'm staying at, and I don't even know if it's gonna get there on time. I tried to pay for express shipping, child, I don't even know. So we're gonna see about that as well. Hopefully, listen, hopefully one of them gets here at some point in time. That's pretty much what's happening. So I'm gonna just take y'all through the week with me, and y'all gonna see like how I prepare to go on this trip, and then I'll do like a travel vlog of like me going where I'm going. So follow me.
80 diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie.
Good morning, y'all. It is Tuesday, March 11th. I am on my way right now to get fingerprinted for my real estate license, so y'all gonna come with me. Last night I was so tired, but yeah, they was doing my nails and the lady was just like, oh, I gotta go, so they was like rushing. I was just real annoyed. So yeah, but these are the nails, y'all. It's just French tip, but they eat, they're cute. And then I got French tip on my toes, so yeah. But right now we're about to go get our fingerprinting for this real estate license because I have to sign the contract soon for my brokerage that I want to join, and to get them started on that I need the fingerprinting to get started as well. We're just gonna get that process started, y'all. I'm so excited. I actually have another brokerage that I'm supposed to be meeting with, but I don't think I'm gonna join them, but I do want to make the connection with them so that they can send me referrals and stuff like that. That'll be good. That'll be tea, honestly. We'll see. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get closer to the fingerprinting spot. I'm here at the place. Hopefully this is quick because this is like temporary parking, but let's go inside and see what's going on. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is appointment Olympics, okay? I just got my lashes done. I didn't even get a chance to tell y'all I just got my lashes done. It's Wednesday, March 12th, and I am literally just running like a chicken with my head cut off. I'm late to an appointment, and I think I might have just took the wrong turn. Oh no, actually I didn't. Fuck, I took the wrong turn. Did I take the wrong turn? I am so lost right about now, but I'm just trying my best. These roads, like I'm literally in the forest trying to get to my hair appointment to a place I've never gotten my hair done at before. And it's gridlock traffic. Why do I make my appointments for this time of day? I do not know. What is going on? Oh my God, like what is going on? The real thing that's really pissing me off right now is my GPS. Got me going for a loop, okay? When I tell you my GPS is on BS right now, it got me going all different type of direction. Oh my God. Who is this? Hello? Hello?
This is Beauty by Josie. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I was just calling because I was in traffic on my way. I have an appointment for 4:45. Y'all lied. I'm gonna be there by 5:07. But she sound like she don't care, so that's good. It's like an old school beauty salon, so I feel like they wouldn't really care like that. Like they probably even take like walk-ins. And I'm trying them out because the girls on TikTok have been talking about them, and I'm just kind of like, I want to try too. But yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I got my nails done. Let's talk about my nails, right? So I get my nails done yesterday, or like on Monday or something like that. I was supposed to get them done on Sunday, but they was just so booked and I was a little late, so I was just like, let's rebook till Monday, right? Monday I asked them, y'all got full availability? They said yeah. So they booked me. I book for after work, after I get off of work, which is around like 5 o'clock. I get off of work, y'all, go there, they're still busy. The girl that is supposed to be doing my nails is doing somebody else's nails. She's still finishing up somebody else's nails. So I'm like, yo, like, what is the reason? Like, what is the problem that you are not able to do my nails? So I'm sitting there, you know, I'm minding my business and just waiting for her to do it. My appointment was at 6. She didn't start on my nails till 6:50. Okay, cool, whatever. Then she tells me, because I have booked for a manicure and a full, or like a pedicure and a full set. She's like, oh, I don't have time to do your nails, like your feet. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, I'm going on a trip. Like, I have to get my feet done. And I'm like, is there anybody else in here that could do it? They find someone else that could do it. Okay, cool. So they find someone else that could do my nails. The girls is starting to do my nails. She's doing it, whatever. What I'm realizing is the girl that I have booked my appointment, she's the best one in the salon. I didn't know that she was coming like that. I just thought she was the one who knew how to do my nails. I didn't know that she was the one who knew how to do all the people's nails. So she's still working on my nails as the other girl's working on my feet. And then she's just, after she's finished my nails, she starts doing the design on my feet, which is a French tip. These are the French tips. I am particular about my French tips because, girl, you're not just about to have me look at any type of way with these thick lines. So today, Wednesday, I get a call from the salon like, oh, I cannot, they basically like, you know, we enjoyed having your service, you're a pleasure to work with, but your nails tech just feels like she can't do your nails anymore, so you can no longer book with her. I'm like, what? First of all, I'm offended because it's like I just started going to her. I've been to her like 3-4 times, and she's the one who asked me to book with her. Like, I originally went to that nail salon, got my nails done by somebody else. She did not do a good job. The nail tech I currently go to comes over, tries to fix my nails, and is basically like agreeing with me, like, oh, these nails are messed up, She's like, you know, from now on, just book with me. And I'm like, okay, girl, we'll do. Like, we'll fucking do, you know? But the thing about it is, shorty is now saying, oh, it takes too long to do your nails, like how you want them, and I just can't do your nail anymore. So I'm like, am I like banned from the salon in general, or like what's going on here? They're like, well, no, you're not banned from the salon. Because I'm like thinking in my head, like, I'm so nice to this lady. I literally say, please, thank you, like, you know, talk with the utmost respect. I barely talk to her because her accent is very thick and I can barely understand her. So I'm not gonna just be in her face like, ha ha, like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, we have a very nice, cordial relationship. I asked her, she just came back from Vietnam. I asked her, you know, how was your trip? Like, I even haven't even been to the nail salon in a long time because I knew that she wasn't gonna be there. So to get that call was just very off-putting to me. Like, I'm very offended. I'm hurt. Like, I don't know what else to say about it. Like, I've never had this situation happen to me before, and I think I'm more offended because I didn't even do anything to her. She just don't want to do my nails because I'm particular and I like my nails done neatly. So she feels like it takes too long. But I just feel like if I make an appointment to get my nails done, and then it's like I'm starting to get offended because every time I go in there, she's like, oh, you want your nails too short? Da 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 da. And I'm like, yeah, I just want short nails. Like, what's wrong with that? She's like, you don't want design? Da da da. Bro, can I, like, am I not? I be seeing the white ladies in there. First of all, I'm always the only black girl. I'm always the only black girl in there. And I be seeing all these white girls in there. They're getting like tinfoil on their nails and stuff like that. Getting just all these different things. I just come in there, get a French tip, and my French toes done. That's it. That's all. Simple. It takes you too long because you're taking too long. That has nothing to do with me. And I gave you the courtesy of making an appointment. It's not like I'm just a walk-in. So that's what offended me, y'all. And I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know how to feel. Like, I feel very offended and I feel very hurt because she was doing my nails good. She was getting it right. Even this last time, I had no critiques for her. Like, I literally had no critiques for her. I didn't tell her to do something better or worse. She just did it, and she asked me, did I like it? And I said yes. That was it. So I'm just very offended. And I'm just like, I don't know whether to go in there. I said what I was going to do was go in there and get another person to do my nails and then give them a big ass tip and right in front of her. But you know what? God got me. So I'm going to just leave it alone. I'm going to find another place to do my nails. And Lord knows how hard that's going to be since I just found this one to do my nails. And just call it what it is. Like, I'm just so stressed out today, y'all. And yeah, like, I'm just stressed out. Like, I'm feeling like targeted. I don't know, like, something about it feels off because I'm just like, why me out of everybody? Because it's like I'm sitting in there watching other ladies get their nails done and their whatever done, and they're in there just as long as I am. You know, what's the difference? What, like, it's a standard 2 hours. I came in there at 8, got my nails and feet done, was out by like 8:30. They close at 8. It's not my fault. I'm not the one behind the nail thing getting my nails done. So I don't know. I think she's overworked and overwhelmed in there, and she doesn't have time for clients who are like particular about their nails, maybe. So I don't know. It just kind of hurt my feelings. I just wanted to get on here and vent about that because I don't know, I just felt some type of way about it, and it didn't make me feel good. So I was just annoyed, very annoyed. But my nails look good right now. So, and I was gonna get my birthday nails done there, but I guess I will not. I guess I will have to find someone else and trust them enough to do my birthday nails, which sucks because I feel like your birthday is not the time to be like experimenting with new people doing your nails, you know? But I don't know, we gonna see. I'm gonna come back to y'all on that. But yeah, right now I'm on the way. I got my lashes done. They're eating per usual. Like, yo, look at the material. Shout out to Arch Ink Studios. She's my lash tech, and she's in the Virginia area, and I just love her down. Like, me and her really have a good vibe and bond going. She understands me and I understand her. She eats my lashes down every time. This is about like the 3rd time I'm going to her, but every time the quality is there, babe. It is so much traffic out here today, yo. But it's Appointment Olympics, and we're gonna survive this, y'all. We're gonna survive this. And I'm coming back with more videos. I just been trying to get my life together, y'all, but I promise I'm gonna try to be more consistent. Y'all can get more real estate content from me too. So yeah, look forward to all that. And I'm gonna have a travel vlog coming for y'all. 2 travel vlogs coming for y'all real soon.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that.